We all love a good book recommendation, and it can also be nice to have a place to go to recommend books to each other. So we went ahead and built out the opportunity for you all in the community to do that. And you can find that here in the Resources tab in the main menu. If you click on that and have this menu drop down, you'll see Share a Book over here, and that will take you to a form that you can quickly just fill out and give a little bit of information about the book. It'll take about 10 seconds to fill out, and then we'll get the information, and it'll take a day or two before that gets added to the actual book recommended or the recommended reading section, which can be found in Resources, Recommended Reading. Okay, so yeah, when you do that, we'll get that added in, and people will be able to find it here, depending on what it is, by just kind of navigating through, finding the different section that it might be in, and everything here will be kind of categorized accordingly. All right, thanks for sharing what you're reading.